Hi, I'm Morgan from Cardigang, and today I'm going to introduce you to your Bela Knit Kit. Your Bela is a beautiful one-shouldered knit, and she is perfect for confident beginners. So included in your Bela kit, you'll get your pattern, you'll get 2 balls of chunky merino wool, and if you've opted in for your needle kit, you'll also get a set of 15mm circular needles, 10mm circular needles, and also a little darning needle that we'll use to sew the knit up at the end. So knitting the Bela will take you anywhere between 5 to 6 hours, but don't worry if it takes you a little longer. It's definitely one you can knit up in a weekend. So when we knit our Bela, we start from the bottom and we knit upwards. So we'll start at the rib stitch, which is the stitch at the bottom of your piece, and then we move into stockinette stitch, which is the stitch that we use for the body of the knit. You'll need to know 2 main stitches for this pattern. It's your knit stitch and your purl stitch. So check out the video around all the basics in order to learn those 2 stitches before you knit your Bela.